You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the slang expression, which I believe means something or somebody, a woman, a man who is attractive. Two different pronunciations. I believe the less common one is as fine shyt. Fine shyt? Do you say fine shyt? Let us know in the comment. The other is as fine shyt. If you say it quickly, it sounds like fine shyt. Yes, that's how you pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.